Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to Girls Beauty. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So today's video is going to be a challenge video. Of course, I challenged myself to get ready as quick as possible. So in this video, I'll share some tips with you guys which you can use to do your makeup quickly. If you guys are interested, then let's jump right into the video.
So guys, first thing I'm going to start the timer, and now I'm going to change and wear the top. So let's begin with the makeup. First of all, I'm using MAC Prep and Prime Spray before any makeup for the smooth finish. Then I'm using my MAC foundation and applying dots on my face and neck. To save some time, I'm using foundation on the eyelids instead of eye primer. Then using my buffing brush to spread it evenly on my face and neck. To define cheekbones, I'm using bronzer and applying it using angular brush. One tip here is, for the quick application, use powder-based products, not cream-based, as cream-based products need more blending. So to save time, use powder-based products. I'm using the same powder to define my jawline. So now I am moving on to my brows. If there is only one thing which I can do in the makeup, I would choose brows because it is so important and it frames your face very nicely. For brows especially, I use powder-based products. I never use pencil or anything because I feel it's very intense and harsh when I use pencil. So these powder-based products are very easy to use and easy to spread as well. So after my brows, I'm moving on to my eyes. I'm using a very light color as a base so that if I put any color on top, it pops out. Then I'm using this burnt orange brown shade and using it on the outer corner and the crease of my eyes to give more depth to my eyes. Then I'm going to pick another dark shade and build it on top of the previous shade. So I'm using it on the outer corner as well as on the crease of my eyes. So now I'm looking for another brush which I can't find, always happens to me. So now I'm using my finger and put this shimmery color on my eyelid. So now I'm using the same eyeshadow blending brush and trying to get rid of excess shimmers on my crease and outer corner. So now I'm looking for my eyeliner. Oh my god, where did I keep it? Okay, got it. So for the eyeliner, I'm using NYX sketch pencil. I'm sorry for the out of focus thing. Since I was trying to do it quickly, I didn't realize I was not on the camera. But for the second one, I will be, so please wait. So finally I realized, okay, so now I'm back on the focus. So first I start from the outer corner of my eye, draw a line, and then try to connect the line and move towards the inner corner. On the lower lash line, I'm using my kajal pencil, not the eyeliner, for the more subtle look, since I will be applying dark lip color. So now I'm moving on to my favorite part, which is applying mascara. I love to use mascara because it completes the eye makeup. And don't forget the lower lashes. Since I don't have maroon lipstick, so I'm going to combine two lip shades to come out with the color. So the first one I'm going to use is Ruby Woo from MAC. So then I'm using this brown shade from Revlon on top of my Ruby Woo to get the desired color. So now I'm going to apply my peach blusher from Color Bar and doing it very lightly on the cheeks. So for the nice, dewy, shiny skin, I love to use highlighter. This one is cream based from Maca. I'm using it on the cheekbones, brows and nose. So I'm using the brush to remove extra highlighter on my brows. So let me quickly check the time. So it's 11 minutes and 49 seconds. So now let's move on to hair. So guys, if you have straight hair, beautiful, you don't have to do anything. But for people like me who have got frizzy and curly hair, so I would suggest to go for an updo to save some time, because straightening and curling your hair will take longer. So I'm making two quick braids. So I have this full hairdo tutorial on my channel where I gave step-by-step instructions. If you guys are interested, I'm going to put the link in the description box. So now the time is 15 minutes and 20 seconds. Now I'm going to quickly wear my jewelry. So now I'm going to wear my garara and dupatta. And then moving on to my footwears. Now I'm wearing my bangles and watch. Then I'm going to apply some more dark lip color so that it goes with my dress.
And I'm ready! Okay, so let's see the time. 16 minutes and 51 seconds. If I had some more time, I would have definitely gone for the fake lashes, which are here. I would have gone for it because fake lashes can completely transform your look, but that's okay. I think when you're in a hurry, you might not want to try fake lashes. You can wear dupatta as you like, and we are ready, and I'm super excited to show you guys the whole look. So guys, quickly I did one more thing, which is I put this one on. It took me only like 2-3 seconds. It was so easy because of the braid, and I used bobby pins to keep this one in place.
And this is the final look. Guys, I'm super happy with this look because it took me only 16 minutes and 51 seconds to do it. On my normal days, I would have taken 1.5 hours. So, it's quite an improvement.
So that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new today. If you did, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you have any video requests, please do let me know in the comment section. And I see you guys in my next video. Till the time, keep smiling and save time because time is money. Bye.